Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So today guys, I'm going to be making a egusi melon soup. Yeah, fried egusi soup. And yeah, so here I have my melons and I'm going to be featuring my melon before frying them. Yeah, I like featuring them first because I feel like they are still so when you are not blending them wet, so you have to filter them and make sure there are no stones in the egusi before you blend them dry. As you can see, I'm picking out some stones from the frying pan. So after which I fry them for some minutes. This is the way the egusi looks, and they look brownish a little bit. And here I have a meat. I'm adding some water to cook my meat. So when I'm cooking my meat, I don't add water. I parboil it for like 5 minutes before adding water to cook. So guys, here's my egusi. This is how it looks after the frying, as you can see. So I'm refiltering the egusi because I feel like there are still some stones in the egusi. So here I'm blending my egusi. I'm going to blend it, and after which I'm going to add microfiche to blend very well. And here's microfiche. I'm blending it dry also. So after blending, I'm going to blend my yeah, this is how the egusi look. This is the look of the egusi. It looks so beautiful and brownish also because I fried it. And here is my tomatoes, fresh pepper, tatashi, and this long pepper is actually not hot, so I blended them together. And here I'm going to be putting my oil, my palm oil, in the pot and allow it to get hot for some seconds before I add my onions. So guys, I'm not a gister. I don't really have much power for gisting, but I've noticed that everybody, when they post all these their cooking videos, they always talk. So I said, let me join the gang of storytellers. So here I've fried my tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes, and I'm going to be adding my tin tomatoes to cook for some seconds or minutes. Yeah, like 2 minutes, and then after which I'm going to be adding some seasoning cubes, salt, and my egusi and the rest. So guys, look at how these tomatoes, oh, I love the way it looks. The face of my fried tomatoes is looking so yummy. And here I have my locust beans. I'm going to be adding the locust beans to my egusi. Yeah, so guys, it's not only Yorubas that add locust beans to their soup, like ogbono, like egusi, like other soup like okra soup. Yeah, so oh god, see the face of this my stew. Yeah, so I've added my blended egusi to the stew. The way it was looking, I felt like parboiling white rice to just lalloy it with it. So I'm going to leave the egusi to cook for some minutes, and I'm going to be stirring it for like 5 to 8 minutes because I really like my egusi to be really well cooked before adding anything else. So I'm going to be adding my bitter leaf. So as you can see, I wanted to add all, but I'm like, no, I don't want too much leaf in the pot in my soup, so I had to reduce the bitter leaf before adding it. So I'm going to be frying the egusi with the bitter leaf for some minutes. Don't leave it. Oh, you see me, I covered it, but I didn't leave it for very long before coming to restir my egusi so that it doesn't get burnt. So you can see I've really fried it for very long, and now it has dried out that water that was in the pot with the tomatoes and everything. It has really dried. Now I'm going to be adding my meat stock to my egusi soup. Look at the face. Are you seeing the face? The face of this soup is just calling me. Like, as I'm talking, my mouth, the saliva that is just, let me not talk too much. So now I'm adding my okporoko, my stockfish to my pot, as you can see. And then my smoked fish or dry fish. And after which, I'm going to stir for some minutes. Yeah, I stirred for some minutes. Then I added my meat. Yeah. So guys, I know you people always say Mary cooks too much. Like her food is always too much. I use this big pot, but this time I decided to cook something portable, something very small with a smaller pot, and this is it. My egusi not ready. Are you see the face? Are you see the face? I feel like guys, as I dey talk, now food I want go mix swallow. I wanted to eat egg and bread, but right now I think I'm going to eat swallow. Oh, yeah. So, I say make I add pando joiner. So, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my pando at home. Yeah, it's looking like fufu, wrapped fufu. I wrapped it myself. I did not order this one. Oh. You see me turning it just now, and after which I wrapped it. So if you want me to show you how I make my pando at home and then wrap it like the way it's wrapped, if my pando, my fufu is not wrapped like that, I will not really eat too much. So it doesn't really sweet me that much because it gets dry. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.